Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look at the gold market. So you can see, so when the market has no inside power to complete the major targets, something outside should help to do this, and that's particularly the case that we've got yesterday. So yesterday, as you know, everything stands relatively quiet on the markets until the New York president of the president of the New York Fed Reserve Bank starts to speak. Mr. Williams said that it's no really sense with interest rate that neither stimulating nor restricting the economy, and that could limit the potential of the Federal Reserve in the future. So currently it's better to this is not the words that he said precisely, but the idea was so that currently it's better to provide the economy chances to grow and to trigger some inflation, but later Fed will have more ability to more measures to control the situation. So the definite quote I will post in the text version of this video on the forum so you could read, but market reacts and treats these words as clear hint on 50 points rate cut. As a result, you could see just amazing rally on the gold market, on the forex market as well. So, particularly speaking, actually, of course, we were not able to predict that this will happen precisely in this manner. But anyway, the target is completed. So, as we said, the market should hit 1450 area. That has been done. So now market has completed not only in the daily chart target, but this is also more extended monthly OP 1450. Here is the butterfly has been completed, and it tells us that that is time for a significant retracement. At least that we should keep an eye on in this market. Be prepared for a possible extended target. As we have the butterfly, it's very probable that it could be the hand and shoulders. So it could become left shoulder, head. The market could form some extended pattern and show the healthy, significant retracement on the market. At least that is the scenario that we should be prepared to. At this point, it's not really a good sign for a good moment for taking any long positions, because even technical response on the monthly target, you could imagine what this could be. Market has completed very important steps on the long-term trend, so that's really a significant moment. Besides today's Friday, guys. On the 4-hour time frame chart, our butterfly has been completed perfectly. Our entry point also was very good, so actually it was a very successful trade yesterday. Market has completed all conditions just as it should to, so keeping the bullish sentiment, standing right at the support that we have specified without no breaking it, and rally has followed. So XOP is done also, as here as you can see, this A, B, C bottom XOP target is completed. 127 butterfly has been completed as well. Currently, guys, do not be too hurry with taking the short position. This is really very long-term targets, and we will have a lot of time if market indeed will start reversal. It will start to form some extended bearish patterns. That's why it's not really a good idea trying to jump in immediately, because market needs to some time to accommodate to the current situation, to sleep with it with the weekend and see what will really happen. Besides, taking into consideration this fast action, it could happen that market could just by the momentum could slide a bit more to the upside, complete the 1618 extension. This will not be something outstanding for 1415 target. Yes, it stands $20 higher, but you should understand that for the monthly chart, it's $20 per contract. It's not really very significant. This is big distance for intraday charts, but for a monthly, that is still stands around the major target. That's why market here could take some breath and fluctuate around this area for some time. That's why I do not see any necessity trying to really be too hurry with it, taking the position. Just market hits major target, close your longs, and just see what will happen around it, what patterns will be formed. On the hourly chart, you could see our scenario. So that was a retracement that we talked about. This kind of the ABCD action has been formed. Market really just retested the broken trend line of the triangle. That was just perfect opportunity, and rally has happened. Now we do not see something really very interesting, some kind of the ABCD action. Well, I don't think that currently we need to try to think about taking any positions here on the gold market. So it's really very big trade is completed, and now we just need to see, wait and see in what manner market starts to react on this target. What reaction will follow? And I think that if with this reaction we will get very big amount of different patterns. On the intraday charts, on the daily chart, I think that will be really the gold mine of different patterns here on the gold market. So that's our view on the gold.